What's up, my friends? Welcome back to the Pin Drop Shop. Today I have a different kind of video for you. I was given a whole lot of patterns and books, so a whole bunch of fun things are in the storage room in several large boxes, and I thought I would take it out and find the best ones and show them to you. It's for some inspiration. So here we go. Okay, so for each pattern inspiration, I'm going to also give a fabric suggestion. So let's just start with a weird one. So this is something I would normally just pass right over. Some weird outdated curtains. But my friend Beth stopped in today and she looked at this Halloween fabric we just got. This Home Sweet Haunt. And she thought that this print would be perfect for curtains. Which I have to admit I never even would have thought of. And I think that's a great idea. It has the spider webs and the spiders, and you could take some of these weird curtains and you could really just like goth up your house for Halloween and have a good time. So I thought that would be awesome. So that's number one, some weird curtains with some creepy Home Sweet Haunt fabric. Okay, so next I have another use for the Home Sweet Haunt, and that is button-down shirts. So as soon as this black ghost fabric came, I wanted a button-down shirt. I just adore this. I don't know if you can tell, but it's on a natural color. It's not a pure white. And it's just so cute. So this is Home Sweet Haunt again. We have the black and the orange ghost. So I thought you could either make a solid top, or you could do one of these fun ones, and you could do like the black ghost and the orange ghost. So I thought that would be really fun for button downs. So another option, I've always wanted to make a button down shirt out of this Ruby Star Rayon by Alexia Abegg, because it's just so silky and luscious. And the print is so pretty. So that would be another option for the button down shirts. Next we have this adorable little dress. Little fitted and flared dress with a whole bunch of pleats for a really adorable shape. So since this is just so fun and party-like, I thought the speckles might be really cute. So we have a bunch of colors of these Ruby Star speckled basics, and I thought that would just be such a fun dress. This bright blue one would also be fun with the hints of metallic. You could really do anything. You can see that they've done prints and solids, and it's just adorable either way because of the shape. Next we have this organizer thing. I really love making stuff to organize the house with for some reason. It's just very satisfying. So you can see that this is a cotton print here. They used a stripe, and then all these pockets are made from clear vinyl. So you could use any print that you wanted. I thought this peachy cloud would be nice for in your house, just kind of a neutral, subtle, happy print. And then we have the clear vinyl here too, so you can get that, and you can pick whatever print you want, and you can make a little organizer. And lastly, I have something fun for the kids. Look at these giant crayon pillows. I love stuff like this. So I just pulled a couple solids that I thought would be fun, but you could do any solids, obviously. This beige I was thinking could be like the wood of the pencil, and then you could put whatever solids you wanted. They did red, blue, yellow, but you could do whatever goes with your kid's room. And we have a lot of the Kona cotton solids, and we have the Cirrus Cloud9 organic solids as well. So you can get on our website and grab up all the solids you need to make yourself some crayons. So you're wondering, how do I do this without the patterns, Jessica? Especially now that Joann's is gone and you can't get your McCalls and Butterick and these basic kind of patterns that you used to be able to just walk in and buy. Well, I'll let you know. We do in our shop here in Ohio, we have a little library. So people can come and they can take out patterns, they can take out books, and then they can bring it back. So I would like to extend that to you, my YouTube community, and let you know that if you would like to borrow any of these patterns, just let me know. So if you're gonna place an order on the website for any fabric, you can make a little note there that says, please send me the McCall's crayons pattern, and I will. And then you can send it back when you're done. All right, friends, thanks for tuning in. I hope that was fun for you. If it was, please give my video a like. If you had anything to say, or maybe you've tried some of these patterns in the past, leave a comment down below. I love to know what you guys are thinking and what you have to say. And don't forget to subscribe. We do a new video every week having to do with sewing deep dives, machine maintenance, all kinds of things like that. So please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on next week's episode. And if you needed to grab any supplies or anything like that for your sewing projects, or if you just wanted some more inspiration and some tutorials and stuff, head over to our website, shoppindrop.com. That's where you'll find everything. So thank you so much again for tuning in, and happy sewing!